Right, what's good guys? Welcome back to Miles Per Hour. I haven't put any content on for a while. I just haven't been out, to be honest. I've been really busy working, kids' birthdays and stuff. So yeah, I haven't really done any content as such, and there ain't really been any events. Weather's not been the best, so I haven't really done much. But today, just going to meet up with a few of the BMW boys who said to come out, going down to Essex, we'll run down to Southend, and then yeah, probably just see what the night takes us really. But yeah, it'll probably be a chilled one, but I thought I'll get some content if I'm going out, so yeah, it'll just be a little video, a few of the guys and their cars that are out, but probably see some usual suspects. But yeah, either way, I thought I'd get some content out and hopefully you enjoy it. But yeah, the new year, next year, we got Ultimate BMW meet. We've got Empowered Collective stuff. What else we got? Probably began Supercar Fest. Loads of stuff, to be fair. I'll probably do Goodwood again. So yeah, a lot more car stuff that I want to try and do. I wanted to try and go away with the car, go abroad, but I don't know whether I'll be able to do it next year. Got a lot going on, but we'll see. But yeah, anyway, for this video I'm just going to do some walk arounds, maybe some flybys of the other cars. It's a bit dark, obviously, it's night time quick now, but yeah, we'll get some footage and yeah, we'll see what's going on, and hopefully it'll be a little good night. Good to get out anyway. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy the video. You can hear them turbos. Car gang. colour. Colour. Right, eh? Compared to them, yeah.